In the business world, quick and efficient access to insights is key to making informed decisions. Interactive dashboards help organizations analyze trends, monitor performance, and compare data across different segments, ultimately driving better business strategies. Here comes the Bookmark Navigator, which simplifies report interaction by automatically creating navigation between multiple bookmarks. No need to manually add buttons for each. The Bookmark Navigator in Power BI allows users to switch between different report views dynamically. Instead of creating individual buttons for each bookmark, this feature automatically generates a navigation panel, making your report more interactive and user-friendly. For example, in this FMCG sales dashboard, the Bookmark Navigator is used to switch between multiple zones, such as Central Zone, East Zone, Northeast Zone, North Zone, South Zone, and West Zone. By selecting a specific zone, the dashboard dynamically updates to display key metrics like products sold, month-on-month revenue, quarter-on-quarter revenue, and year-on-year revenue. This allows businesses to analyze regional performance quickly and make data-driven decisions efficiently. The Bookmark Navigator simplifies navigation by replacing multiple manual buttons, saving time and effort. With multiple bookmarks for different zones, it ensures a seamless user experience by automating navigation and enhancing dashboard interactivity. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.